Hey, what's up, Zilliqa holders? So this is alert news, and I have two good news, is my brother, for all of you. So let's see, my brother. First of all, I predicate this coin. I do technical analysis. I share my opinion. Everything, my friend, in this video is going to be very important. But you need to subscribe this channel before I get started video. And absolutely, my friend, if you subscribe this channel, press the bell icon for videos notification. So first of all, as you can see, my brother, this time in the last 24 hours, this coin is take a very huge jump. So the first good news is that, my friend, and the second, you can see here, my brother, the second good news is that to be complete 10,000 subscriber, so you need to subscribe our YouTube channel. If you are new, we do a giveaway now, so don't miss this giveaway chance, my brother. So this time you can see a change occur last 1 hour as minus 1.01%. the price is decreased now in last 1 hour, but the last 24 hours, as you can see here, Zilliqa is moving up for 4.26%. so it's a very good news, my friends, for all of you. To Zilliqa is also starting moving upward now. Thanks for watching, holder. Please, I am 100% sure to upcoming time this coin is also moving upward now, so I recommend all of you mothers to don't see the short jump, short fail. This is possible, my best, to upcoming time this coin is fails down, and absolutely this is possible to upcoming time, my friends. This coin is moving upward very fastly, and they will give you a very good profit. So therefore, I tell you, holders, please don't see this short fails and short dumps. Absolutely, I am 100% sure to upcoming time there's more chances they take a very huge jump now, so you need to hold. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.